Sorry, guys.
Guys, share the live.
What's the live?
Share the live and follow. For more, we're going to be dropping more of this. Share the live, guys. You go see this. So you go win this Savannah. You go win Savannah today. Oyibo. If you need this pure water, make it telling me, pa. You go win pure water for Asaba. Oyibo. Water, they don't drink too much, eh? The food they want with me over life. Go Oyibo. Spanner they use his hand. Spanner is using his hands. Hey, wait. Oyibo they use his hands. Hey, wait. Guys, share the live and follow. For more. You're almost there. Let's go. You're almost there before he finishes his mix. Well, like Spanner, today you go here, I go win you today. You go return my Uga dollar is up for Lagos. You go return that money. Emmanuel, thank you. Let's go. Guys, share the live and follow. Also join the live tomorrow and on Sunday. That one Otilo. Oyibo, you don't do. We're almost there. You don't finish. Just finish it on this plate.
No, it's smart. It's not empty.
Hey, your mouth, you never empty. You must say your mouth, you never empty. You must say your mouth, you never empty. Let's go. Wow.
Nah.
You tried. I finished. You tried, but I won.
One little small thing.
Yeah. No worry. Next time you will still try your best. You try your best.
What would you do that? I'm telling you, try pass it. The one what we do. Where you go chop with my Uga dollar?
Can you get me another plate, please?
He said, make I bring another plate.
Huh?
I like spaghetti.
He said, hey guys, follow these two pages. Spanner FB.
I win now.
Adamu Comics. Tomorrow.
So, Oyibo.
Wait, I have a question. Are you original Oyibo or are you a fairly used Oyibo?
Question for me. What did you ask?
Your Oyibo is the original or be fairly used?
I was enjoying.
Oyibo na lache efele.
I swear. It shocked me. Oyibo na look good. Oyibo. Tomorrow, right? By this time. Tomorrow by this time, right?
Yeah.
tomorrow by this time.
Yeah.
So we are doing pizza challenge.
Pizza challenge. Let's go.
With the best regards from my
Pizza
brother.
challenge.
Let's
So,
go. Pizza
so
challenge.
I will do the broadcast in the morning and post it so that people will know that we want to do it, so they will keep tuned. I will win you. I will win you.
You not go pick. You not go pick to win us. You not go pick. You go tell my $1. You not go pick to win us.
Okay.
You not go. You not go pick.
I will win you
Pizza
tomorrow by this time.
Tomorrow.
But is it double or nothing or what?
Yeah, the pizza tomorrow. He say he go win us. You not go pick.
Double or nothing.
Double
or nothing. Double the money you from your boss.
Yes. Oyibo say if you win, if I will win you tomorrow, you go double the $10 he chop for my oga. You go double am for us.
Okay. Una hear wetin Oyibo talk? Na hear am. This is about dollar. Oyibo, this is when you see the craziness in me. You know, this pizza tomorrow, I will chop that pizza.
You not go pit. You go win you
tomorrow. Okay. I will chop the pizza and chop the carton in terms of dollar.
Make I tell you.
Even if I want that, I will chop the pizza and chop the carton.
Small thing you use win us today. No, make another happy. If a small thing.
It's a small thing. No problem. I'm okay. Adamu.
Yeah.
Adamu.
Yeah.
Adamu.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, I am eating up. In fact, you will double my money. That $5, the $5, you will double it. The $10, you will double it.
It was if we win you go double them too.
I will be eating your money. Oh. They go push you.
No Allah.
No problem.
No, you want
you know, sir,
support your
you know, sir, Hausa people, they don't know something. And they tell you now.
Yeah,
no problem. Money they give me, go buy fuel.
It is my papa, you don't know something.
Money when they give me, go buy fuel. No problem. Okay, you know, say you lie for him last time. He leave you. No problem. Tomorrow, double the money. I will finish it. Mama,
Madam,
be ready for me tomorrow by 8 o'clock. Tomorrow by 8 o'clock in the evening, we are going on pizza, right?
Yes.
We are going on pizza.
Yes, on pizza tomorrow.
All right. Love you so much. Love you so much.
Hey, if you want
you are the best.
Follow this page.
Okay, come on for road. You are the best. You are the best. You. Aboki, come out now. I'm talking about this man. Aboki, get out.
Oyibo say wait till tomorrow. Don't work. Finish you.
Okay. There's no problem. So, Mama, you are the best. I love you so much for this. I love you so
guys,
much.
Thank you for watching. Okay? Thank you for sharing. So, thank you for liking. Please follow the pages. Adamu Comics, Spanner FD. And tomorrow is going to be lit. Tomorrow, Spanner is going in. We are taking your championship.
I will eat that.
All right.
It's better.
Yeah. She said she will eat the pizza and she will eat Spanner.
Is that what you said?
Tomorrow.
No problem. Okay. Let me ask as if I don't hear white Oyibo sound language, but you will not take the champion from me. Not even Oyibo woman. Do you know how many great men that have tried to win me? Do you know how many great men, even mechanics?
Make it tell you. What you make it bring Oyibo? What you make it bring Oyibo come? It's because woman rules the world. Woman, if they get to the world, if you win me, chop my $1, my mother will collect them from you.
You collect them, madam. Be ready to be giving him more $1 to bring for me.
I don't have dollars.
So
tomorrow,
I love you so much. I love you so much. So guys, please follow this. Follow these pages. Follow his page, and this thing will be doing it constantly. It will be going every 8 o'clock in the evening. So you guys will be ready. She wants to collect the crown from me. Foodie, Fanito, Fanatra, the war. What is your?
He said today, now small thing now you use winners. Small thing.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Onyeka, you're right. No problem. Tomorrow I will shock you. Don't worry. Tomorrow I will shock you. Okay?